boom, boom. We have the APHQUA right here. This is a 7-inch screen. You don't need to install this. This thing can sit on your dash or can attach to the windshield of your car, and you have a nice 7-inch screen connect to your phone. This thing is backup camera and your entertainment system all in one shot, one unit right there. This is a great way to add Apple AirPlay or Android Auto to your car without any installation. Update your entertainment system with one unit like this. And you have a backup camera to boot. Boom, 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 boom. There's the screen. Nice 7-inch screen right there. It's a big screen, guys. It's a good thickness right there, but not too thick. You could just put on your dash or mount it to your windshield. So easy. Back here, you have the mounting point. You also have the speakers right there. Nice big speakers. You have the power adapter, the USB, the 3.5mm jack, the micro SD card, the microphone built in as well. The 3.5mm audio out, and you have the backup camera input right there. 7-inch IPS display. It has a lot of good viewing angle. Nice viewing angle so you can see even in bright sunlight. The windshield mounts. You attach this to your windshield. You got a nice suction cup right here. This one has so many points of motion. Boom, boom, boom. Find your right motion right here and lock it down. This string also extends right here. Dun, 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 and it also rotates. Lots of motion right here. So this one will attach it to the windshield, or you can use it to attach your dash to. Very simple, very flexible mounting right here. You got the sticky pad that comes included. So this one you can stick to your dash. So this plate right here, you can attach to your car because it got some adhesive right here. Attach this to your car. Now you have a nice surface for this to just suction attach on. And then you got up, down, forward, back, and spin around. We have the screen right here, the APHQUA 7-inch screen. This thing has a grip right here. So you put this on, slide it in, and you slide it up and tie it on. Boom. You can rotate this however way you want, forward, back, up, down, and rotate 360. You can tighten this one right here to tighten the angle, the ball and nut right here. This one will tighten the angle of your screen, and then you have in and out. You can tighten that. You have up or down. You can tighten that. This is so flexible. You have so many options. You can tighten that there. You can tighten this over here. You go like this, mount it on high up. Boom. Just like that, mount down your windshield. You can pivot the screen however you want. You can mount that to your windshield. And then you can flip the screen upside down, and now it's mounted on your dash. Really cool to install. Really easy to install. Very flexible to install this IPS screen. You just stick it onto your dash or stick it on your windshield, and you're good to go. The manual right there. Nice, the CarPlay manual. 3.5mm cable. This is if you want to add an extra external speaker, or you can connect this to your car stereo. This 3.5mm cable allows you to connect this thing to an external stereo, your car stereo. But don't forget, this thing has built-in speaker, so you don't even need this if you don't want to. Super easy, right? Right here, we have the backup camera with the LEDs, guys. It's bright. Even in low light, you can see. One cable connects to your stereo, which is the yellow one. So this one will connect to the stereo, so you can see the backup visual. And the red cable right here connects to your brake light. This other cable right here that connects to the red cable, and this will connect to your brake light. So this one will tell the camera when to turn on and when to show the video on here, so you know when you're in backup mode. Boom! We have the DC input. This is DC getting power from your car and powering the monitor right there. DC adapter. Once you connect it to a DC source, you should see a light right there. Connect this one to the screen. Their DC input right there. Oh, there we go. APHQUA. Very cool. And look at all the display. You got play button, Android Auto, AirPlay, Auto Link setting, phone, Bluetooth music, USB. You have the card and FM transmitter.